Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Ledger Flex. To reset this device, go to its settings. Now go to the right again, and you'll find reset. You can simply click on reset this ledger, reset, and remember that once you reset it, after confirming the PIN, if you don't have your recovery phrase written anywhere, then you'll basically lose your assets. So make sure that you have your recovery phrase written somewhere, or that you just don't reset it, or that you transfer all your assets to a different wallet first and then reset it, because if you don't have your recovery phrase, you'll just lose all the money. So yeah, I'm gonna approve it, and now it's reset. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.